Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we're reporting live from Walgreens and we are about to get into some really easy but really good deals. So this first deal I was super excited about. So this is a double dip deal on Register Rewards, and it's all digital, and it is on these $4 Oral-B toothbrushes. So you can grab these charcoal toothbrushes. There are a couple more varieties that are included as well. You want to grab these ones that are $4. So I've already done this deal to confirm that it's working, you guys, and it is definitely working and producing 2 Register Rewards. So what you want to do is you want to pick up 3 of these babies. They are buy 3, get back 5. And we also have a $6 digital coupon that you want to use off of 3. So 3 of them are going to total you up to $12. You want to use that $6 digital coupon. You are going to pay $6 and you can use Walgreens cash to pay. But then you're going to get back a $5 Register Reward, and you are also going to get back a $4 Register Reward, which is a store coupon. So you're going to get back a total of $9 for this deal, making these babies not only free, but a $3 moneymaker. So here is my receipt for this deal so you can see how it works at the register. This is a deal that you have to do in store because it is a Register Reward promotion. So I picked up 3 of them for $4. That $6 digital did come off. I redeemed for $5 in Walgreens cash and paid $1 plus tax out of pocket. And then I did get back a total of $9 in Register Rewards. So I got back $9 in Register Rewards, and I also got a paper booster for spend 25 get 7 that I am going to use today. And special thank you to the person who I have up on the screen, because she posted this deal I think first on Instagram, and I was able to do it twice. So that was a nice $6 moneymaker to get our Walgreens trip started. A couple more oral care deals that I'm not going to do but are a really good deal if you need some free toothpaste are on the Colgate this week. So you can pick up 2 of these Colgate for $3.99 each. That'll total you up to $7.98. We do have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon that'll come off. That'll leave you to pay $3.98 at the register, but then you're going to get back $4 in Walgreens cash, making 2 of these babies completely free. Same deal goes for the toothpaste that you can find down here for $2.99. So those are $2.99, so 2 of them will total you up to $5.98. We have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. That would leave you to pay $2.98 and then you get back a $3 Register Reward, making 2 of those babies completely free as well. Another great deal this week is on the Garnier products. So these products are 2 for $7, and then when you buy 2, you're going to get back $4 in a Register Reward. We do have a $3 digital coupon, so you can pick up 2 of these and then pay $4 at the register and then get back a $4 Register Reward, making 2 of these completely free. The next thing I'm going to grab is one of these clearance CoverGirl products. So you guys know we have the brand new $4 digital coupons, and we also have some printable coupons for the CoverGirl face products. At my store, these products are on clearance for $5.49, $5.29, and $5.79. So, and some of them were on clearance for $4.79. So with that $4 coupon, these can be as low as 79 cents or $1.79 or $5.29. This next deal on the Palmolive, you actually want to buy online if you can. Online pricing is 2 for $2.49, so they'll be like $1.24 each. And then we have a $1 digital coupon. You can just pick up 1 of them for $1.24. That'll make your Palmolive dish soap just 24 cents for the bottle. Another item that you want to pick up online, because it is cheaper there, is on the Walgreens menstrual care and feminine care products. So these are as low as $2.99 online, and we do have a $2.50 off digital coupon. So if you have this digital, you can place a curbside order for $2.99 for one of these products and then use that $2.50 coupon. It'll make your products as low as 49 cents. The next item I'm going to be grabbing is 2 of the Unisom Simple Slumbers. So my store does not have them tagged, but they're actually buy 1, get 1 50% off. So I'm going to buy 2, and that's going to total me up to $19.48. All right, you guys. So my total for these is $19.48. I have $9 in digital coupons for these products. I have a $5 off and a $4 off. That will bring me down to $10.48 at the register. So we're gonna pay that $10.48 because Ibotta has $6 in cash back for us. $3 on each one. That's going to make our final cost just $4.48 for both of them, or just $2.24 each. And of course, we're going to add these in with our spin booster to bring them down even further. An online freebie that you may want to pick up is on this Revlon eyelash curler. So online, this item is priced for $2.99, and we do have a $3 digital coupon that will make it completely free. So definitely add these into your curbside deals if you need them. The next item I'm going to grab is one of these Fabuloso wipes. You can also get the Fabuloso liquid if you prefer, but I'm going to grab these wipes because I like them. So these are $2.49, and then we do have a $1 digital coupon that's going to make this just $1.49. So this is the first transaction that I am going to do because I want to maximize my spin boosters. So I just got this spin booster for $7 when you spend $25, and then I also have the spin booster for spend 22 earn 6, I think it is, on my account, a digital spin booster. So I want to use both of those. So I'm going to go up to the register. The total for these 4 items before coupon should be $27.46. I'm going to use the $9 in digital coupons on this, $1 digital here, and then the $4 digital on the CoverGirl. That should bring me down to $13.46. Then I'm going to roll in those 2 $5 register rewards as well to reduce my out-of-pocket. That should leave me with a balance of $3.46 to pay at the register. So we're going to pay that, and then hopefully we should get back $7 for this point booster, $6 for the other point booster, and $6 for the Unisom. Let's see how this deal goes. All right, you guys, that worked out so good. Let me show you a close-up of my receipt so you can see everything. So there is the Unisom, there is the CoverGirl, and then there's the Fabuloso. Just like I expected, my subtotal came up to $3.46. I went on ahead and paid that in cash, and then I did get back a total of $13.27 in Walgreens cash between both of my point boosters, the paper and the digital. And then of course I also submitted back to Ibotta as well, and I got back $6 in cash back for the Unisom. And with the Unisom, definitely check before you purchase it to make sure that that rebate is still there, because it is showing that it does expire within a day or so. So that was $19.27 back after spending out $13.46. This little transaction, my friends, was free plus a $5.81 moneymaker. So between these first 2 deals, we got the toothbrushes and the deal we just did, I've made a total of $11.81. I also still have these 2 $4 register rewards, these store coupons that I'm going to use. I don't think I'm going to use both of them today, but we'll definitely use at least one because I don't like leaving the store with that much Walgreens money. So let's see what else we're going to get into. So the next thing I'm going to grab is 2 of the Scott toilet paper. So these are $5, but we do have a store coupon for $1.25 off. That brings them down to $3.75. Then we're also going to use a $1 digital coupon on 1 pack. That'll make it $2.75. I am also going to submit back to the coupons app for the second pack to make that $2.75 as well. The next thing we're going to grab is actually cheaper if you get it online. So you want to pick up one of these Vanity Fair 80 count napkins. These are pretty good size packs. So they are $2.49 online, and then we have $1.50 in coupons available, a $1 store coupon, and then a 50-cent manufacturer coupon. So that would make them just $1 online or $1.49 in store. So these paper products are going to be the last 3 items that I grab in today's haul. They should be completely free for me since we are shopping with the money that we made in the first couple transactions. So let me go check out with this, and then we will debrief and see how everything went. All right, you guys. So this last transaction worked out so good. Here's a close-up of my receipt. So there is our $4 register reward and then our 2 digital coupons. And then my subtotal came up to $3.99. I did redeem $4 in Walgreens cash. So this transaction was completely free. And then I did submit back to the rebate apps for the Scott. So I'll get back $1 automatically from the coupons app for one of those Scott toilet paper. And then from Fetch Rewards, I also got $1 back for the Scott toilet paper. So since we spent out $8 for that transaction, $4 in a register reward, and then $4 in Walgreens cash, and I got back a total of $2, that final transaction with the 2 packs of Scott and the Vanity Fair was a total cost of $6. So we made $11.81 in our first couple transactions, and then we just spent out $6. All of these items were still completely free, plus a $5.81 moneymaker. So this was super easy, all digital shopping at Walgreens this week. I think we had a really great, easy, quick in and out trip with all digital coupons, and we made a little bit of money while we were at it. We didn't have to spend out a whole lot of money, and that is always a blessing at Walgreens. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I would love to have you here. I thank you so much for watching today's video, and as always, you guys, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.